Children, welcome in today's science module. Good morning, children. Today we are going to study lesson number 9, that is natural disaster. What does it mean by the natural disaster? Natural means which is happening in nature itself. So, a natural event that causes great destruction and damage to the property and sometimes loss of life as well. That is known as natural disaster. Okay? So those natural events are like earthquakes that causes a great harm to the life as well as properties. Volcanic eruption, tsunami, hurricane, which is also known as typhoon or cyclone, flood, droughts and forest fire. So, we will study about all of the natural disasters one by one. First, we will study about the earthquakes. So, children, what is earthquake? So, children, earthquake is a sudden shaking or tremor of the earth caused due to the movements or vibrations inside the earth. So how this earthquake forms, I will explain you. Children, as we are talking about the earthquake, so first of all, we will understand the different layers of the earth. Okay? So this is the structure of the earth. The earth is made up of three important layers. What all are these three layers? The first outermost layer is known as crust. Okay? We live on Earth's crust. All the movement of human life is made over here in this crust area, which is colored in blue color. Fine, children? The layer below the crust is known as mantle. So this layer is made up of hot rocks. Fine? This second layer where I have made the dots, this is known as mantle. The third layer, that is the innermost layer. You can see this. These layers are known as the core. So core is divided into the two parts, that is the outer core, which is in black in color, and inner core, which is white in color. Okay. So this is, core is the innermost layer of the earth. This inner core and outer core is made up of hot molten material. And lot of movements happen inside this core continuously. Children, at times there is a lot of pressure on the upper layer of mantle and crust of the earth, and this causes strain. When two blocks of the earth suddenly slips past one another, it gives rise to an earthquake. Okay, so now this is all about the layers of the earth. Now we will study how the earthquakes happen. So we will study earthquakes and safety measures. The earth's crust is made up of unevenly shaped slabs of rocks, which is called tectonic plates. The energy stored here causes the tectonic plates to move towards, away or push against each other. As you can see in the picture, with time, the stored energy and the movement of the tectonic plates build up enormous pressure within the region between these two plates. This intense pressure causes the fault line to give away and the plates move over against or apart from each other. The center point of this disturbance is called the focus. From the focus, waves of energy travel to the surface of Earth, shaking the earth from within. The point on the surface directly above the focus is known as epicenter. That red point you can see in the picture. From here, waves transfer to all the directions of the earth's surface, causing vigorous movement. And this is known as earthquake. As you can see in the picture, from the earth epicenter, the waves are moving all around. This causes a great destruction for the properties. During the earthquake, we should take care. The strength, direction and duration of an earthquake can be measured using the seismograph. and the extent of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. The magnitude of earthquakes can be categorized on the basis of Richter scale readings. We cannot understand when the earthquake will come, but we can measure its intensity. We should take care many things like try to move on open spaces whenever earthquake is there. Move out of the building through the emergency exit. You should use a staircase, not the lifts. If you are indoors, move away from the objects that may fall. Take shelter under a strong piece of furniture and stay there until the tremors stops. When you are indoors, you should move away from the glass because it may shatter. If you are sleeping, you just protect your head with the help of the pillow because it can cause damage. If you are outdoors, you should move away from the big buildings and transformers to save your life. And if you are in the car, drive it slowly and stop somewhere to protect yourself but away from the lampposts and the big buildings. Like this, you can save yourself. So children, take care. Till then, goodbye.